I'm filming this part outside because my roommate is in the room and I don't want to just, like, they do this too, but I just don't want to. So, frankly, I think it's my destiny to cosplay Snufkin because I have big Snufkin energy. So, I'm gonna do that. So, I have bought myself some felt, and with shipping and everything, it came out to about $35, so this better do what I want it to do. This is 100% wool felt. It's a square yard. So this is my hat material. And I'm not gonna buy another one of these, so better work out. They also sent me this like little sample and like instructions on how to do like a boiled felt look. I don't know what boiled felt means exactly, but like this is like you wet it and then you stick it in the dryer and it like felts up a little more, like it just kind of clumps together a little bit more because that's what wool felt does. So I think I'm gonna do that because it's a lot thicker than, like, you can tell it's like almost twice as thick as this stuff, and it's stiffer and it's actually a lot softer to the touch too, so it'd be more comfy to wear. But I think the hat itself will have more structure if I do this, so I think I'm going to do that first. And then I'm going to steam shape it into like a witch hat shape. So for that you need a hat block, and I don't really have one of those, but I do have this that I just went and bought today. I'm probably going to shape it a little bit to what I want and hope for the best there. And if it doesn't come out like, you know, perfectly shaped, like if it's a little bit lumpy, I think that's fine because, you know, that's how Snufkin is, and it's it's appropriate, I think. But yeah. Hi. You come here. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Oh, it's my baby. Oh, she hates me. This is what's left of the hat block. If you're gonna do this, if you can find something that's like more heat resistant than a plastic container, do that.